Hey guys, Carson here. So today I'm going to be plating our burrito bowl. Now what this is it's part of our custom cravings menu, and it can be regionalized to where you're at in the country, such as fried catfish or a Buddha bowl. In this region, the burrito bowl will be more fit to our clientele, and that's the great thing about these new menus. So let's get started. All right guys, so we're gonna start with a base of brown rice. We want 4 ounces, and this scoop right here is the perfect size for 4 ounces. To that, we're gonna add some plant-based beef that's been seasoned with taco seasoning. So it's got some paprika, cumin, chili powder, garlic. So we've got some black beans, some corn. All right, we're gonna add some shredded lettuce, some diced cherry tomatoes, cheddar cheese, 1 ounce of sour cream. This is the perfect size for that. And then garnish with some beautiful micro cilantro. Normal cilantro is fine too. I just had the opportunity to use this gorgeous micro cilantro today. All right, guys, here is our beautiful burrito bowl. Now, what's nice about this is patients have the opportunity to order what they want. On the menu, it's listed as plant-based beef, which we use today, Beyond Beef, delicious. But you can also do ground beef or ground chicken. So there's the option of that. You can have it without. And it just makes it more flexible, more usable, and that looks absolutely delicious.